Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm with my cousins. Jojo. Jojo? No, put the gun down. Okay. And Saul. Put the gun down. Saul. See?
Saul.
He knows.
See?
Look at his face. Let me see. Do it again. Another one. I'm just kidding.
Sorry, Daddy. What? No one else saying like she left the baby behind.
I can still hear the baby.
So what are we gonna do?
Kill that girl! Just kidding.
No.
Kill that baby! Kill that baby! Kill the baby! Kill the baby!
Show, huh? No friendly.
This is where I used to have my chickens.
They all died.
They didn't die.
They all died. As you can see, there's a bone right there.
Where?
Right there.
Whatever. What are you doing? She's over here. She's selling Soul's minion pajamas. Minion onesie. You wanna see? It's right there. It's over there. Look, guys. This is my cousin's minion onesie. Oh no.
She put it down.
She put it ready up. Great job, Thea! The life inside of Grandma's house. We haven't even moved inside. Just kidding, this isn't our house. This is a trailer. As you see, guys, this is in the house. Trailer outside. What are you doing? You're looking at something. Just mine. Yeah, bugs. Let's look so close in your hair.
Jasmine,
To
can
see
you get
what's
away from me before I shoot you?
I want us down. Hi, Thea. Hi, Thea. How you doing? Put your Thea. Thea, put your sun hat on. You put your sun hat on. It's really hot out here. It's hot out here. Where are you?
What?
I hate you. You're mean.
But all your followers are me.
Like it. Guys, you have to be quiet if you want to hear meows. Meow. Meow. Kitty. Meow.
I need those like rangers to move the metal one. I need those to move like this.
Okay, I'll go move them. Okay. Guys, squirt leather fight. Cause I want. The water guns don't work. Ooh. Jay cruising in the street and I'm gonna rock.